Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a new and latest Lenovo DUET Chromebook. This is a 10.1 inch tablet with 128 gigabyte of storage space with a keyboard and then kickstand. This one's the ice blue plus iron gray color. So I'm glad I did the pre-order on this unit because right now at Best Buy everything it is sold out. So this one has the highest resolution, 1920 by 1200 resolution, and then it gives you enough of storage of 128 gigabyte plus access to the cloud. The cloud gives you additional 100 gigabyte for 1 year of a free trial on Google One to keep your documents, file, and photos free and secure. This one has an octa-core processor. It allows rapid multitasking and then delivers a smooth response and boasts amazing graphic. And it offers a dual camera for photos and face-to-face chatting, 2 megapixel fixed focus front-facing camera with the LED indicator, and then 8 megapixel autofocus rear-facing camera. It comes with the 5 volt 2 amp AC adapter, battery, Lenovo Dual Chromebook, 10.1 inch tablet, 128 gigabyte of storage, and then with the keyboard, and also owner's manual, USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Let's go and then unbox this. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. Wow, it is pretty hefty. So like always, I'm going to give you guys a 360 view at the box real quick. On the top, you got this nice Lenovo box logo. There's your Chromebook right here. It is in a saran wrap. And on the side, it says a Lenovo IdeaPad DUET Chromebook. It's got a tiny hole right there already for the shrink wrap. I guess for the air to come out. Let's see. And then this is what's it gonna look like. It's a 2-in-1 detachable laptop, ultra portable, Full HD IPS display, 4-sided narrow bezel, long battery life. There's a keyboard and then a kickstand. So let's go ahead and open this up. it is taped on the side. No wonder I was saying, how come it won't open? It's on both sides. Nice. So the covers are pretty hard. Wow, look at that. This is so light. But why is the whole box pretty heavy? I think they said this one's about less than a pound. Or I could just slide this open. And then you got the Lenovo brand right here. And then there's your Chromebook. It's a 8 megapixel camera right there, the rear camera. It's a volume rocker, on and off switch. It's a microphone right there. It's a USB Type-C. And then you got the contact point right there for the keyboard. There's two other slots. There's your front-facing camera right there. And there's a LED right there. Try to see if I can power it on. Wow. Unfortunately, oh, that was dead. Anyway, I gotta set this up. Let's go and see what else is in the box. So this plastic tray with all those recycle symbol. Oh my god, so probably the keyboard is pretty heavy. There's your safety warranty and then a quick start guide, okay? So the bottom one is a keyboard. That's separated by this white foam. Here's backing with the kickstand. Pretty nice material. Oh, there's a thing right here so I can separate them. All right. Wow. So this is plastic. go ahead and check out the keyboard. And then you got the mouse pad right here. So you have the connection right here. Got the fire this gold contact. There's your notch right there. Let's check it out. Wow. Nice. So you can see I can move the mouse and everything. Let's shut down real quick because I gotta set this up. See the backing. So that's it. Cool. Let's see what else come with it. The charger. So you got the USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter jack right here. I wonder if this will work on my Samsung Note 10 Plus or the Samsung S20 Ultra 5G. Gotta test that one out. And this is a USB-A to a USB Type-C charger. Let's see, come with the adapter. So yeah, it does come with this AC to USB Type-A adapter. And it says Lenovo there. Just test this out real quick. Then you tell that up or down. What? I thought I shut it down. Well, anyway, I gotta set this up and then do a review later on. This is just an unboxing video. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And be sure to stay tuned for the in-depth full review. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.